Hello guys! Today I woke up and decided to film a YouTube video for you. This vlog will be a little bit different than my other vlogs because I will talk more and yeah, just show you my day. Come with me! So let's start with fixing my eyebrows. Pincet here. Now I'm gonna pray. This is how I always lay my prayer mat, guys, like this, because it's easy to just roll. Now I will just find some clothes and fix my hair and everything. I'm gonna iron it, guys, because yeah, you see how it looks. And oh my god, there's a lot of clothes here that I need to organize. I'm thinking this white pants. I'm taking with me a towel, guys, because I'm gonna swim. Now I'll do just natural makeup and fix my hair. So this is my hair, guys. I hope it looks good from the back because I can't see back. I can see my back. This brush. And what more? I'm gonna use contour. I think that's all. My skin's been breaking out so bad. I overline my lips so much, guys. I'm gonna take with me these to the beach because I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna need lip liner and lip butter. This is my favorite body mist for summer. It smells so good. My beach bag. It's from Juicy Couture. So let's put these here. I'm gonna also take with me my wallet because I'm gonna buy some food for beach day. And I don't know. Oh, what happened here? I think I'm gonna take with me these white glasses. Handset. And let's go, guys. These are so comfortable. And these pants are so long. Even though I'm tall. I cannot open these with one hand. I'm gonna buy some snacks to take with me to the beach. I need this. This one is like a spray one. I'm taking it with me. This one is the one that I use, guys. You can find it in normal. I need hair mask too, but I have to come back here because I cannot buy a lot of stuff now. I love Capri Sun. If they have it in the fridge, I will buy because I want it to be cold because it's so hot outside now. This is my heaven. They have a lot of new nails here. These are like from Shein. Wow. These are nice. Very natural. I'm gonna buy this because it tastes so good. And these are also my favorite. Now let's go and buy sushi, guys. Guys, this gave me literally a heart attack. I thought it was a spider. Oh my god, I love butterflies. So beautiful. Hi, baby. Guys, look. Oh my god, this is crazy. These sushi are so good. They taste so good. Ah! Oh my god, I got soya on my towel. I can't wait to go and swim. Guys, let's go. I think the water is very cold. Oh no, it's okay. Oh my god, look at my feet, guys. Now we're going home. It was so nice to swim and to just relax and read book, eat snacks. I'm so thirsty. Yes, I need to put in the fridge. I didn't eat those snacks at all. I'm so thirsty right now, so I'll drink cold water with ice. Now I'm going to take a long cold shower. Now I'm done with my whole shower routine. So now I'm gonna go and relax.